DeWalt has a lot of material listed on this box. Let's go test it out. What's going on? Welcome to today's video. My name's Colton, and today I actually am at Lowe's. Calling this little video, does it suck? But in a good way, because we want that vacuum to be created with this DeWalt GRABO Lifter tool. So I'm gonna start with all the materials that are shown on the DeWalt GRABO Lifter box. So let's go, try it out. Does it suck?
Now let's pause for a sec.
I think we should also classify the amount of materials that we're testing this on. I think there should be a range of 3 different categories. 0 to like 3.5 PSI should be classified as a risky lift. You want to make sure that the vacuum is on all the time. You probably shouldn't release it, and you have some vacuum there, and you should be pretty good. And then let's say the 3.5 to 7 is a decent type of vacuum for that material. Things that you want to consider: you can turn it off if you don't like the sound, if you want to conserve battery, but you should probably be aware that this product may lose its suction relatively quick. So if you're going from point A to point B, just make sure that you're aware of the number on the screen. And I think, let's say anything from a 7 and above, that creates a really good suction. You're probably pretty good for this tool to stay off, haul it around a little bit, bounce up and down if you want, but also keep an eye on that number. Now, don't take this as gospel. I'm just using this as some type of legend or mapping for the material that we're going to test it on to see if there's a good, better, best type of approach.
What kind of
So hopefully I was able to try to articulate a wide variety of or material of products that was shown on the DeWalt box that it says it actually supports and actually tries to create that vacuum or that suction. Most of them work pretty well. So I think that when I tested out in my review video, it was probably just a matter of old weathered wood. But if you like this video, make sure to go check out my other videos. This one is a little bit more casual. The others are actual formal reviews, unboxings, how-to videos. If you do have any questions, comments, or concerns, put those down below in the comments section. You can also check out the description to this video. I'll make sure to link the GRABO Lifter tool from Lowe's. And yeah, thanks for watching.